love, I'm really happy you're here today. I hope you've been resting well and keeping yourself hydrated. You know how important that is, right? So, here's the manual breast pump I've got with me today. It's honestly one of my favorites, super comfy, compact, and does its job beautifully. Let's give it a go on one side. I place it gently, making sure it sits just right, and then I start pressing slowly. No rush, just breathe and let the rhythm guide you. Once the milk begins to flow, you'll feel that calm moment where everything just sinks. It's actually quite soothing, like your body saying, yes, this is how it's meant to be. And look at that, there it is. Fresh milk flowing right into the bottle. Every drop counts, every bit of effort is worth it. That's all for today, babe. Thanks for spending this moment with me. Take care of yourself, you deserve it.